My name is Batyi. I've been in the automotive industry for over 20 years and I've gained knowledge and experience in some of the companies in South Africa, Dobel Automotive, VWSA, Takata Pedri, TRW, Toyota South Africa, and so forth. I joined the AIDC incubation program to become an entrepreneur. AIDC incubation program is to provide or facilitate a black business entrepreneur towards excellence or in excelling in running their own business on a daily basis. From that program, we've learned various leadership roles, business management skills, as well as operational skills. Through the program, AIDC then bring in a tier 1 supplier. In my case, it is MSSL. MSSL makes bumpers, radiator grills, as well as fender liners. So these parts, they go through AIDC, and then they go through the AIDC Incubation Centre. There we then assemble them. We assemble the grill, we assemble the bumper, we assemble the fender liner, and together we then supply it directly to Ford Motor Company. Through the AIDC incubation program, I then established Batyi Automotive Component Supply as the sole director of the organization. The company had about 69 employees, and then we operated from there till now. In March 2023, I graduated out of the program and set up BACS paint shop facility in Pretoria North, where I paint the automotive product for MSSL. On a daily basis, we receive a radiator grill from MSSL. The grill itself is unpainted. We prepare the paint, we clean and prepare the grill for painting, and then once it's ready for painting, we then take it to the spray booth. In the spray booth, the spray painter paints it, and then when it's ready, we then ship it back to MSSL, and then MSSL ship the grill to Ford for fitment. Ford Motor Company Silver Tin produce 500 cars a day. 200 cars is low spec and 300 cars is high spec. The high spec cars are wall track. My company supplies wall track with radiator grill carriers. The vehicle gets shipped worldwide, and I am proud to supply international market with radiator grill carriers.